हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू टारगेट फॉर आईक्यू। In this session, we will discuss about important summit which are held in 2020. So the first one is G20. The 15th summit of G20 was held on Saudi Arabia in 2020. Due to coronavirus pandemic, it was held virtually, and Saudi King Salman bin Abdulaziz was the chairman of this summit. India, also the member of G20 group. The theme of this summit is releasing opportunities of 21st century for all. The next meeting of this summit held on October 2021 in Rome, Italy. Next one is Quad Foreign Ministers meeting. The Quad Foreign Ministers meeting held in Tokyo on October 2020. The foreign ministers of India, Australia, Japan and United States attend the meeting. Next is ASEAN. The 37th meeting of Association of Southeast Asian Nations was held in Indonesia on November 2020. The headquarters of ASEAN is in Bangkok at Thailand. Due to coronavirus pandemic, this meeting take place through video conference mode. There are 10 members of state in ASEAN and India was not the member state. Next is United Nations Security Council. India has been elected as a non-permanent member of United Nations Security Council for a 2 year, and the term is started from 1st January 2021. India got 184 votes out of 192 ballot cast vote, and it is the 8th term as a non-permanent member at United Nations Security Council. United Nations Security Council consists 15 members, which are 5 permanent members and 10 non-permanent members. The 5 permanent members countries name is United Kingdom, United States of America, China, Russia and France. Next is G7. The 46th meeting of G7 was cancelled by Trump due to coronavirus pandemic. However, it was scheduled in America. In this meeting, Trump planned to make a bloc of nations against the China. He also invited India and Russia. The 47th meeting of G7 was held in United Kingdom in June 2021. Next is BRICS. The 12th BRICS meeting held on November 2020 through virtual mode. The meeting was hosted by Russian President Putin, and the theme of this summit is Partnership for Global Stability, Shared Security and Innovative Growth. There are 5 members in BRICS, which are Brazil, India, Russia, China, South Africa, and the 30th BRICS meeting scheduled in India in 2021. Next is Indian Science Congress. The 107th Indian Science Congress will be held at University of Agricultural Sciences in Bangalore, Karnataka from 3 to 7 January 2020. And the theme of this meeting is Science and Technology for Rural Development. The objective of this summit is to bridge the gap between farmers and technology developer. Pune hosted the 108th Indian Science Congress in January 2021. Next is World Solar Technology Summit. On 8 September 2020, the first World Solar Technology Summit was held virtually. The summit was inaugurated by PM Narendra Modi, and the main objective of this summit is to pay attention to state of the art technologies and next generation technologies. The summit was hosted by Ministry of Energy and International Solar Alliance. The headquarters of International Solar Alliance at Gurugram. Next is OPEC. The 179th meeting of the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries was held via video conference mode on 6 June 2020. The meeting called upon all the major oil producers to contribute proportionally to the stabilization of oil market, taking into consideration the substantial effort made by the OPEC and non-OPEC participating countries. The headquarters of OPEC at Vienna and OPEC consists 15 members. बाकी दोस्तों, कोरोना वायरस पेंडेमिक की वजह से बहुत सारी मीटिंग जो कि शेड्यूल थी 2020 में वो कैंसिल हो गई थी, जैसे कि बिम्स्टेक, G7 आपने देखा, नाटो और जितनी भी बायलैटरल मीटिंग है इंडिया और अदर कंट्रीज़ की, उसका डिस्कशन मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करता हूँ। आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। लाइक और शेयर करिएगा। धन्यवाद।